No, wait.
Good morning. Welcome to Scarlett and Natalia Course Review.
Give it to me.
Who do we have here? We have two babies. Look, two babies. We have Scarlett and Natalia. Two babies.
My papa.
Two little babies. Do you want some milk, babies?
No.
No? You want to lie down? Yeah? Who are the babies? Who are these babies? Who are the snuggly babies?
No, I'm big sister.
Oh, you're big sister?
Mommy.
Baby.
No, this is not a baby.
Baby.
Take it out.
Baby.
Take it out.
Oh. This is why babies don't come out of cribs. Super baby. Da, 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 da. I am super baby.
No more baby. I am super baby. Rescuer.
Hello. Welcome. These are some crazy little girls here.
Are you okay?
Oh, well, I guess we're gonna end the video now. Don't do crying,